All right, now that we've created a new blank file, let's make some shapes on this blank canvas that we've got. So if you look over on your sidebar of all your tools, right above the water droplet, you will find your shape tool. Right now it's on rectangle, but if you click and hold, you can see all the different shapes that we can make. All right, let's start with the rectangle. So let's choose that. And as I choose that, this little menu is going to pop up on my screen up here. This tells me that we have a rectangle. All right, and for my options, I can do unconstrained. I can have it as skinny or as fat or as wide or as I want. If I choose square, that means it's going to keep proportionally the height and width the same. If maybe I want a certain size of a rectangle, 2-inch by 5-inch rectangle, I can use fixed size. Proportional is the same, and then from center means that I can start in the center of the shape and drag it out. But let's do unconstrained right now. And if I go over, you can see right now I pushed on the blue. That's the color my shape is going to be. So let's change it up. How about a pretty green? And when I find the color that I want, I click OK. All right, my arrow move tool has changed to a crosshair. So anywhere on your canvas, click and drag. And as you can see, as I drag around, it makes my shape because we picked unconstrained. So I'm going to let go, and so far this is my shape. As you can see, it's still got a little border box around it. What we need to do is come back up here and push simplify. All right, that makes a shape that we can use on our layers. If I go back to the move tool, I can click and drag this anywhere that I want. Notice that if I drag it off the canvas, it doesn't show. All right, I can grab these handlebars on the side and adjust it. If I grab a handlebar that's on a side like this, it will move one side at a time. If I grab a corner handlebar, it's going to proportionately change the size, larger or smaller. All right, we can click the arrow when we get it, or the check when we get it like we want. And now let's play around. Let's make some more shapes. Let's go over here, and this time let's make a circle. All right, unconstrained or a circle. Let's do unconstrained. Let's pick another fun color. How about a purple? And we're going to click and drag. And as you see, when I let go, I'm going to simplify that, go back to my move tool and move this around as well. Also, when you notice, the shape that I make the last is going to be on top. And you can tell that from your layers over here on the right side. I can drag this layer down, and all of a sudden it's underneath the green box. I can drag it back up. All right? So have fun playing, making some shapes.